It motivated me by having seen the interview of Sardar Milkha Singh. So I said, okay, if he can do at this age, still 100% fit, why not I can do? So whenever I meet any person, I always tell them that please don't concentrate 100% on your work. Huh? Spend 1 hour time for yourself. Hockey is such an interesting game. Okay, you full your body is dedicated while playing. For all exercise you get, and my interest was also there. So that is why I came up with hockey. I am Randhir Singh Anand. My age is 61 now. 2 years back, one of my class fellow met me in my school get together. So he met me. I asked him what you are doing. He's telling I was first surgeon, and now after the age of 50, I decided to do something great, and my dream come true. That is my main aim, because I've done operations and I was very busy. So now I'm thinking I should do something else. So I decided to go in my films as a side role, and my friend's name is Dr. Mukesh Hariawala. He's a heart surgeon, very well known from Just Lok Hospital. So I also decided that why not I'll implement my dream in the form of playing hockey. Because in my childhood, after my exams I had to look after the business, so I was very busy. Now after that I decided that my son is helping me, so I decided to go for hockey. So one day suddenly I went to BHA. I said I want a coach. So luckily by the God's grace, I met Mr. Conrad Mendes. He is the right person to coach you. So luckily he was so keen to teach me. Morning 6 o'clock he used to come to my house, and Stanislaus ground on the mud we used to play. So that helped me to come out with my fitness. At the age of 59, I started playing.
Our friend Mr. Randhir Singh Anand, he is one of the most senior most players in our team, and when he came first to play with us, we had mixed reactions. For example, would he be able to play? Why is he coming? What he wants to do here? Because we never had someone so elderly to come and play with us. He started hockey. Usually people start hockey in their 20s or even in their 30s, late to late. But this guy, he started hockey in his late 50s, 60, late 50, early 60s. I think he's 60 right now. 61. So in a year or year and a half ago, you started hockey. Yeah. So we had very mixed reactions, but then everything sort of turned into a motivation for us. If a person of such an age and such a good caliber and he's coming here and playing hockey, why can't we? We have younger guys. It gives us more motivation to come and play every Sunday.
It's a great inspiration to all the hockey players who have played hockey and have lost touch with the game. I really feel bad for them, and he is one of the motivation for me also to coming back on the ground. I do play every day, most probably with my BPT team, but I make it a point not to miss this Sunday occasion. It's because it's fun. It's a great occasion. It's like a carnival sort of on Sunday when you come on the ground. You have all sort of people, from international player to a small school boy, and guys like Ranveer just keep on motivating. It's fun seeing Ranveer play, and more important, when he scores a goal, the enjoyment and the thrill what he gets. And we have scored so many goals, but we have not counted. I have noticed Ranveer, he counts each and every goal. He's got the counting of the goals. Very true. A total childish enthusiasm. He's young at heart, He's young on ground. That's really a greatness what you could see from Ranveer, and he's a running inspiration for young guys.
In my business, I'm a confident person. If I want to do something, if I want to meet person, my mind says, "Yeah, go ahead." I just take a step and go ahead. That's why I immediately went in the BH. I walked in. I said, "Let's see what happens."
You know, whatever age you might be, that's not end of road. You need to carry on and get the game going.
I stopped counting after 100 because the coach told me that complete the goals for this year for 100 goals. I completed in 3 months, and now I said, okay, my dream is over for 100 goals. Now let's go for the best, to play perfection.
That's Ranveer. If anybody wants to get motivated, follow him.
I don't tell them to play hockey, any type of sport, but you should have involvement and for fitness. Without otherwise, if you are not looking after your body, the body won't look after you. I was totally involved in my business because I was the only person to go ahead in the business because there was no support from anyone. I go from a middle class family. So now slowly I worked hard and I came up. What happened? My father-in-law said that don't be a burden for your father. Take everything on your shoulders and do yourself. Come out with yourself and go ahead. So I did not ask anything favor from my father. Everything I made by my own, and I am still keen to work 24/7. Allah tell me that to come on work for full day, full night. I am ready to do. But we have to look after the family also. I don't see. I'm my age. I just love to play with the children, with each and everyone. Okay, I was so excited to play in the ground. I forgot to remove my full pants. It's so excited to. I'm so excited to play. I still tell my coach, if you get a chance, I love to play in BH. Yeah, in tournaments or practice anything. I love to play. The family did not interfere in my. You want to complete your passion, you can go ahead. Once in a week, I try to take my wife out because full day she is busy. So Saturday we go for movies or dinner.
60s sexy hockey fits Ranveer.